Hello to Polio24. Today I'm happy to show you the new Red Star three-hand mechanical watch 1972. In 1972 the Chinese watch industry was at its peak, and this is the Chinese standard movement Tongji caliber inside. This watch has 40mm diameter stainless steel case, and it is available with champagne cream dial or with the blue. This is the blue dial with a red star certainly on the dial, and also with the burgundy red. The back is always decorated. Or the fourth model is the black version. And this elegant, decent watch has the caliber inside, the Chinese standard movement Tongji with 70 jewels, shock protection, and around 36 hours of power reserve. 20mm bandwidth, and the price of these mechanical watches with history is quite interesting too. So maybe you like one of these colors or certainly all of them.